In this lesson, we're diving into the HTML style attribute. The style attribute allows us to add cascading style sheets, or CSS styles directly to HTML elements. It's a way to apply formatting and visual design to specific parts of our web page, right within the HTML code. Let's explore how to use the style attribute. The style attribute accepts CSS properties. We can apply multiple styles to an element. Each style is separated by semicolons. Each style is defined as a property value pair. The format is property: value semicolon. Inline styles have the highest specificity, which means they take precedence over other styles defined elsewhere. Looking at the code snippet, you can see how the style attribute is applied within an HTML element. Let's explore some frequently used inline styles. First, we will explore text styling. As you can see, we can change the color, font size, font weight, text alignment, and font family of a text using inline CSS. Next, we will explore box styling. With inline styles, you can modify the background color, border radius, padding, margin, and width of HTML elements, as shown in the example. In this section, we'll cover layout and positioning with inline styles. First, we will look at positioning. The code demonstrates how to use position, top, and right properties to place an element within a container. Next, we'll look at display and visibility. You can use display flex and justify content properties to control the layout of elements within a container, as shown in the example. Let's discuss the advantages and disadvantages of using inline styles. One of the advantages is that inline styles have the highest specificity, which means they override external styles. They are quick for testing and prototyping. Also, there is no need for external cascading style sheet, or CSS files. But one of the disadvantages is that it mixes content with presentation. They are hard to maintain for larger projects. And also, there is no reusability across elements. As demonstrated in the code snippet, using external CSS is generally better for maintainability and reusability. Let's explore situations where inline styles are appropriate. Consider email templates. Email clients often strip external CSS, making inline styles necessary for consistent rendering. Another example is dynamic styling with JavaScript. You can use JavaScript to change styles dynamically based on user interactions or other events. Here's a practical demonstration of inline styles in a complete example. In this code snippet, we're creating a product card layout using inline styles. This includes styling the container, image, text, and button elements to create a visually appealing product display. Here is a summary of key points and best practices regarding the use of the style attribute. First, key points. The style attribute applies CSS directly to HTML elements. The syntax is style equals property: value semicolon. It has the highest specificity in CSS cascade. It is useful for quick styling and specific use cases. Second, best practices. Use external CSS for most styling needs. Reserve inline styles for special cases like emails and dynamic styling. Keep inline styles minimal and focused. Consider maintainability for larger projects. Remember, separation of content, that is HTML, and presentation, that is CSS, is generally preferred. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.